In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to drive more phone calls from Google Ads using cool assets, also known as cool extensions. So if you're looking to boost those customer interactions and get those phones ringing, you're in the right place. Now, let's dive right in. First, you want to open your favorite internet browser and head over to the Google Ads homepage. This is the hub for all your online advertising needs, from creating ads to optimizing them for the best results. Once there, you'll see an option to sign in. Click on that and enter your credentials to access your Google Ads account. This step is your gateway to the world of online advertising, so make sure your account is all set up and ready to go. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Ads home screen. This is your command center, a place where you can view and manage your ad campaigns. From here, navigate over to the Tools and Settings menu. You should see an option labeled Goals. You'll want to give this a click. Goals in Google Ads are essentially your desired outcomes or actions you want users to take. By setting up goals, you're guiding your ad strategy to achieve specific results. Next, proceed by clicking on Conversions. This is a crucial step because conversions help you track and measure those valuable actions that your users take, like phone calls in this case. After clicking on Conversions, look for a button that says New Conversion Action. This option is where the magic begins, as it allows you to define what counts as a conversion for your business. Once you've clicked on New Conversion Action, a menu will appear. Look for and select phone calls. This is pivotal because we're focusing on driving more phone calls directly from your ads. By choosing this, you're setting up the infrastructure needed for tracking calls arising from your advertisements. You're almost there. After selecting phone calls, you'll find several options to set specifics about these calls. Google will guide you through tailoring your preferences, such as counting how many calls you'd like to consider a conversion, and setting call value and call duration. Be thorough here, as these settings can help best measure the success of your phone call extensions. To finish, save these settings and review your new call conversion setup. With everything properly configured, you can go back to your ad campaigns and start attaching these cool assets. It's essential to monitor and refine your campaigns regularly based on performance data, making tweaks where necessary to maximize results. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to drive more phone calls from your Google Ads campaigns through the effective use of cool extensions. With these steps, you're well equipped to enhance your advertising strategy and boost those all-important customer calls. Thanks for watching, and happy advertising.